Make it full.
Not too much food. That's enough.
Piko man ang kuan.
Hindi na yan. Ay! Ano yan na butang sa mga ba?
Ang sama na, oy.
You need 5 scoops, ha? 2 more. Ay, sus. One more. Ito nga na. Okay, get one more. Full. Like that. Get. Ayun na. Butang sa takob.
Manalong.
Ano makasok? Sa takob lagi kuan.
Enough liyan. Ay,
Close it. Close the milk first. Slowly, because of the abu. Push. Just push. Paano? Ay! No, water.
Butang tubig. Pagtutoy, anang way tubig.
Slowly. Slowly. Oops. And close it. Mix it. Look at the bottom of the bottle if there's still milk at the bottom. At the down. At the bottom, where's the bottom? There, at the bottom. Ibalik. Ibalik that.
Shake
Upside down.
well.
Yeah, there's still more. Nothing, no? Very good. Shake more. Okay, good. Get down. Close the drawer. Return the rice. Return the rice. That's it. Up here. Independent baby.
Drink na. Good?
Yeah.